Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to create Threads account before starting the process. Let me tell you one thing. Basically, Threads is an Instagram app, so if you want to use Threads, then you need to have an Instagram account first. And if you have Instagram account, then you can use the Threads application. So now open the Google Play Store and search here for Threads. So here is the application, tap on this one, because I already installed this application. So after the installation, tap on the option open. So as you see, it's already asking for log in with Instagram, as I said before for using Threads. You need an Instagram account. So I'm tapping on this log in with the Instagram. So here is the next page. Here is the name. You couldn't change the name because the name is taken from your Instagram account. And here is the bio. You can write the bio different from Instagram. And also you can add the link difference from the Instagram. If I tap on this imported from Instagram, then all of my data will be imported from Instagram. And I don't need to do anything. So because it's a tutorial, so I will show you, how can you make your Threads account, so that's why I'm not tapping on this import from Instagram, and I tapping on this arrow icon, which is at the right top. And here is the option public profile or private. So for me, I will choose public profile. After choosing, tap on the option, continue. And here are the followers from my Instagram. So if you want to follow, these all also on Thread, then follow all. But if you don't want, simply tap on this arrow icon, which is the right top, and simply tap on the option and join Threads. So as you see, your Threads account has been created successfully. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.